Did you see that? Did you see that? G'day scientists, today we're reviewing another kit from the KiwiCo Tinkercrate. It's the glowing pendulum. It cost me $26 and that's because I have a subscription for 6 months. If you're buying month to month, it will cost you more at $40. Right, let's open up and take a look. Inside the box, we've got the usual blueprint. The blueprint has all the instructions you need to complete the kit. It looks like we're going to create some kind of arty, spinny, glowy type thing. It looks quite cool. Last time we did a KiwiCo art thing, it was actually really good and I was quite impressed. We've got the Tinkerzine. You guys know how much I love the Tinkerzine. It's always got great content. Inside this one, we're learning about chaos theory and the butterfly effect, glow in the dark inks, and the Tinker Library, my favourite part of the book. If you like playing with this and you want to learn more, there are plenty of resources to go and visit on the internet. What else do we have in this box? Some plastic parts. KiwiCo are pretty good with plastic parts. They limit them quite a bit, so I'm guessing these are required. In this pack we've got some citric acid and a cotton bud, and this is for the invisible ink experiment. Some electrical parts and Velcro dots, some wooden pieces, and the main cardboard structure and elastic band. I bet we reuse this elastic band. Okay, first steps, we're building the glow box, the cardboard pieces. This is almost completely assembled. And the Velcro dots. The box is marked soft, and this is where we stick the soft pads. Here, the KiwiCo kits are always so easy to assemble. Next, we flip over and attach the dark scratchy parts of the Velcro dots. And they go scratchy, scratchy, scratchy. Let's add them on. Then we fold together like this. I'm just feeling this now. This has a kind of surface coating on. I bet this is the glow in the dark part. Okay, for this part, for assembling the LED arm, we need some plastic parts like the LED holder and some bolts. The battery pack, which is a button cell battery, but it's been heat wrapped to make it safer. The medium wooden arm and an ultraviolet LED. First step is to take the hole on the left, wires point right, hole on the left, wires on the right. That goes in like that. Okay, cool, done. The arm goes in over the top. Oh, wait a minute, medium arm. If I picked the wrong arm, okay, let's check the arms out. Arm. Only one of them's an arm. Okay, it is the medium size arm. Got it. Medium arm on here, and then LED, and that pops in there, like that. Then make sure the wires don't touch. One that way and one that way. Got it. Legs go under the bolt. So this goes in the top here. Everything gets held in place with this bolt. The legs, the wooden part of the battery. It's a really neat design. Then the red wire goes to the long leg. And the black wire goes to the short leg. Oh my God, it's lit up. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Check this out. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. I am loving it. It has a warning, do not shine in the eyes. In fact, as I was shining it onto it, I was getting some of the reflection back and I could feel that it was quite a strong ultraviolet LED. Let's turn the lights off and try that. Okay, lights are off. Oh, you can really see that working. That is pretty cool. Part C is putting together the light onto the pendulum. We need the glow board, the pendulum, the brace, the washi tape, I have never heard the term washi tape before. If you know what it is, please let me know in the comments. Right, we need some bolts and the string. And then from home, we need some heavy items that are going to hold down the cardboard brace. So I'm going to get some cans and bring them right out. Okay, from the kitchen I fetched a tin of lentils and a can of tomatoes. If you don't have lentils and tomatoes, you can use anything. Baked beans, soup, butter beans, beetroot, anything. Step one is to fit the arm with the LED onto the arm bearing. And that goes like that, and then the screw goes in. Got it, got it, got it. Then we're taking the long arm and adding it onto here, and then screwing it in. Step 3 is to take the brace and to line it up with the holes on the back and use the washi tape to attach the brace to the back of the glue board. Okay, nice. This tape, washi tape, I've never heard of it. You can rip it with your fingers, a bit like masking tape. I'm gonna add another few pieces on. It doesn't say to, but since when have I followed the instructions on anything? Then use bolts there and there to secure the base bearing on the other side. Okay, right, so the base bearing is going in here, got it. And then the bolts are screwing in the back to hold that on. Got it, got it, got it. Goes there. And then this one goes there. I see why that's there. So that's there. You can't screw the plastic onto the cardboard. So the screws would just pop through the cardboard. And this wooden brace is like stopping that from happening. Fit the long arm onto the base, so the LED, like that. Then we pop that in there and screw down. Okay, now we get to switch it on. Gonna face it towards you. It's in the back. Put this into here. Lift the pendulum arm and send it spinning. I'm going to turn the lights off so you can see what it looks like. Maybe if I spin it a bit slower. Yes, there we go. Whoa, crazy. Do it again. Whee! Ah, this is awesome. It really is good. That was actually really good fun. It was a really interesting and novel way to introduce chaos theory to younger scientists. It took me about 15 minutes to build, and I think you would have hours of fun playing with it. It's good for all ages, I think. You could supervise younger children to play this, or you could leave an 8-year-old to build this by themselves. There's a slight danger from the UV lights, but if you told your young scientists they must not look at it, it would be okay. I'm going to give the glowing pendulum kit 3 stars for fun, 2 stars for price, and 3 stars for learning. Bye or bye-bye! It's a bye. This was a really fun kit, and anything involving art and science gets my vote. If you've enjoyed making this, you should check out when I made the KiwiCo Spin Art Kit, which was a similar blend of science and craft.